Welcome back to your new tutorial. So I'll continue this tutorial from the previous one. In a previous one, we have developed this application's GUI. So now we have already given a reference ID to all these combo boxes and also to these two labels. Now let's move ahead, and now we need to add this combo box, and then finally we need to add plain text and this plain text. So in this plain text we will be giving a subject name, and here your main message will be here, and then finally here will be a single email for on which you want to send your test email, and then here would be a checkbox. Okay, so for that let's first add this label from, and you see the this font size is 10 and its style is bold. And for that what we need to do, what we can do, we can take a reference like this. Okay, so now we need to add this from. So what we can do, we can just copy this country and we can paste it here, and let's give name as a from, and then we need to give this a combo box. So for this combo box we can just copy it and paste it here, and now we need to make it a little bigger. Let's make it like this, and then we need to edit this, and for the first email we need to give sleep well, and this is sleep well, and then @ sleepwell.tech. okay, and the another email, if you see, another email was info@sleepwell.tech. info, it's info@sleepwell.tech. Perfect. Now we have these two emails. You can click on OK, and now what we need? Now we need subject and text edit. So for the subject we can just copy it and paste it here, and we need to write here subject, this is subject, and then what we need here a plain text edit. Okay, so that the text edit is here. There are two text edits, so we can add this text edit, and there is another text edit. Okay, right, so we have here two text edits, so both text edits are almost the same. So we are going to take here plain text edit, and in this plain text edit we are going to give a reference for this text edit, since we will be needing reference for this text edit and also for this combo box. So this combo box has a reference from email, so we need to give this as a from email, and for this text edit we will be also needing a reference, and for that we are going to give a reference name as a subject. Okay, right, and now we need another text box for our subject. Okay, so for that subject, that's the message, sorry, for the message. Okay, you see here, and one more thing, if you see this one, so this is placed under a scroll area. Okay, and this text edit has been placed under a scroll area, and then it has id as a message. So we need to put here a scroll area, so that if suppose that the message exceeded, then there will be a scroll view here, a scroll bar kind of. Okay, so first of all we need here scroll area, and we need to put that scroll area here. Let's say this much. I think this would be enough. And if you compare, I think we can just drag it kind of up to this place. We will later adjust this, okay? And then after that we need to put here a text edit, okay? So then we can just align this text edit with this scroll area. Now you see inside this scroll area there is a text edit kind of exactly like this, and then we can give a reference as a message, okay? And after that what we want to add here another qplain text edit in which we will be writing a test email address, okay? And for that we can just copy it and then we can paste it here simply. And after that we want here a checkbox, okay? So we can search here that checkbox, and then we can add that checkbox here. And what we can give name, we can ask something here to the user. So have you checked test email? So it will ensure that before sending a mass email, let's say more than 100,000 emails, you should check a test email, whether the email which you have designed, is it okay or not. If it is not okay, then make necessary changes, and then once again you need to send it to your test email and test it whether it is up to the marks or not. Okay, great. Now what we need to do, now we need to add here a push button as a send email, okay? Q push button send email, and then another push button as a test send email send, okay? So we need here push button. Actually we need here two push button. So one push button will be placed here, okay? Let's make it a little bigger and name give send, and if you match here the point size is 11, so we need to also match it. However, it's up to you, but just I am trying to make it exactly the same what I am having here my application in the Python, okay? Right. And after this what I can do, so once it is placed, then see this send email, and this one test email send, okay? So for this push button we can give here send email, okay? It's a send email, and for this one we need to give test email send. Just copy it and paste it here, test send, and for this we need test email send, okay? Test email send, perfect. Now if you see it, it's almost look like a similar, okay? in a similar way. It's almost similar. Now let's select this one and press Ctrl and R. Either you can press Ctrl R or you can go into form and then preview. So once you preview it, now you can see it looks almost similar what we are having here. Okay, so the country, event, when, before 1 minute, etc., and total email to be sent, total available emails, and then from here you can select sleep well in info, as you can select in here. Okay, info and the sleep well, and then subject line. Here subject line, so hello, how are you? This is really great. So this is the default subject line which I am having in my real application. However, you will be also able to change it here, or you can write here, hi, how are you? See, hello dear, I am having great news for you, right? And then you can just enter, make enter, and a ScrollView will appear here in the side. Okay, and if you have a longer message, then you can see it by using this ScrollView, and then finally you can give here your test email. So my test email is naran16042015 @gmail.com. Now in the final email you need to press the test send, and then the backend Python code will automatically capture subject line and message and all these information, and then the Python code will make contact with the AWS CS and the DynamoDB and the lambda functions, and then it will perform necessary actions to send the emails to the desired emails or the selected emails. And then once you send emails, and you need to check it whether your designed email is up to the marks or not. And then finally you can check this, have you checked test email? Yes, I have checked. And then you can press a send, and it will automatically send to all the selected emails. It could be 100,000 or the 1 million emails in a single time. Now I am going to stop this tutorial here. In the next tutorial, I'll be designing a further, such as the event stats and the sent stats. So thanks for watching this tutorial, and stay tuned for the next one. And please do not forget to subscribe this channel so that you can directly give update into your inbox.